How to replace a 2019 Ram 1500 3-button smart remote key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Hey, it's Sergeant Locksmith. We're going to do a little quick video. We're going to change the battery here on our Dodge remote. If your key ring is attached to it, you can leave it on. Go ahead and flip your remote to the side where you'll see your little release. We're going to push down on that. Pull the emergency key, set it to the side. Take a flat tip screwdriver, and you'll notice you have an indentation here and here on your remote. I found the easiest way is go and slide the flat tip in there, and when you do, you'll see the side lift up. Once it lifts up, go ahead and push in a little more, and you notice that side just popped. Put your fingernail in there just to hold it. Then we're going to come to the other side, put the flat tip in, and you notice what came apart there. Now go ahead and grab the two halves like so, and it pops open. Now when you look at your battery, you want to pull down when you put pressure on your battery, and you'll notice it came and slid down farther. That's where you want to put pressure, is towards this way. Put a flat tip screwdriver in and just slowly work it in. You don't need to put much pressure because you don't want to bust this tab. Now when we go to put this battery back in, we're using the same battery because these are new remotes we're using for the demonstration. You got a little metal tab here, metal tab here. That's where you want to put the battery in first. So it'll look like this. Push it down. Now push down on that, and then push up, and the battery turns around and latches in. Once you've done that, you're good. We'll turn around and take the back cover. I found the easiest way to do this is start with the top and just work your way from the top down, and you'll hear it snap. Go and take your emergency blade, insert it, and there you go. You've just changed your battery. Hey, thanks for watching Sergeant Locksmith. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment,